Hello everyone, welcome back to my next video. So if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then do subscribe my YouTube channel to receive all the updates regarding 3D animation. So talking about this video, we'll learn how to animate in this video in Autodesk Maya, and I'll show you the difference between animate and animation. So let's start and learn how to animate. So this is the Maya interface, and we have this viewport and the grid. So here you can see we have a ball. So now we learn how to animate. So this works for everything. Now we have a ball. If it is a character, then it will work for the character as well. If you have a machine or a car or anything which you want to animate, the process is the same for everything. So let's start. So now if I select the ball and coming to the time slider, now you see nothing. There is no animation, there is no movement. So if I go to frame 1, then I'll just key this position. Key means to register this pose here. So now we know that the ball is here. So we'll just press S key on the keyboard to hit a key. So here you can see we have a red line, that is the key tick, and here you can see all the attributes are turned red. So that means that on this frame we have the key registered. So now this position is locked here. It's registered here. So whenever you will come to frame 1, the ball will automatically come to this pose. Now going to frame 25. Now I want to move this ball. I'll go to frame 25. Remember, first change the frame. First go to the frame, then move the object. Now I'm moving the object, moving the ball. So now you can see only the translate Z has the dark red color. Everything else is light red. That means that we only have the key on translate Z attribute. So make sure always when you animate, make sure that you hit key for every attribute. So now we'll hit S, we'll press S key on keyboard. So now you see all the attributes are turned dark red. So now we have registered everything in this frame. So now if I go to frame 1 and see, we can see the ball moving. And if you play, this is how it will look. This is how you animate. Whether it is a ball, whether it is a character, whether it is a machine, whether it is a car, everything, the process is the same. Register the first pose, go to the frame where you want the next pose or the next position, then change the position or pose of the object or character, and then press the S key and register there. That is how you see the transition from point A to point B, and that is how you animate. And also make sure that you have this auto key turned on. If you don't have this turned on, the positions will not be registered automatically. So what will happen is you will keep on making changes, but it will not get registered. See, I'll show you an example. I'm just turning off this, and now I'm going to frame 12 and I'm moving this ball somewhere. And here you can see there is no key when I'm moving this. So now if I go to frame 1, it will automatically come to this place and this place. So now what I have done in the middle of the frame, that position is not registered. So whatever changes you make, it will not get registered, and you will realize that it is not getting animated. So here you make sure that you are turning on this option, auto key. Now we go to frame 1 and frame 25. So this is how you animate. But let me tell you one thing. How to animate is very easy. This is the process. How to animate is a process. But if I talk about animation, animation is different. Animation is a skill which needs to be developed by continuously practicing how to animate. So by practicing the process, you will learn animation. An animation is creating a believable movement, not just a movement. It should be believable. So if you see, if I play this, have you ever seen a ball like moving in this way? Not rotating, not rolling, and the speed also? This is not real. This is just moving, but the motion is not real. You cannot feel like it is a ball actually. So what we need to do, we need to change the position as well, and then the rotation, we need to put the rotation in this, then it will appear as an animation. If I roughly just show you, let's bring little bit closer, as this is just a 1 second animation. So let's just reduce the spacing. Here we have, we'll go to Windows, Animation Editor, Graph Editor. So Graph Editor is very helpful in tweaking animation. So now we have translated z-axis. So here you see the curve. So now the speed is slow in and slow out. This is slow in and slow out. But what we need is, we need the ball to be in linear position at the beginning. So it will come in a speed and then it will go to stop. So this is, now we need to rotate as well. So we'll rotate the ball. Now we have rotated the ball. Now you see, but does this look? It still does not look that great. Somewhere it's sliding. See the rolling, and this is not matching. So you need to take care of that. Again and again you will have to look it, like whenever you practice, then you will become the master into animation, and you will have that observation skill that no, this is how you rotate, this much how you rotate, in this much translation. You just do some changes to just reduce some spacing even more. And now we'll go here, we'll put the rotation as well. Now if I play it, see, now you can feel that this is a ball. The ball is coming and it is coming to a stop. Anyone can realize by just this much of animation that this is a ball. So this is what we call as animation. Now whatever the motion is, it should be believable. Now this motion is believable that this is a ball. And according to the material of the ball, like whether it is a rubber ball or a metal ball, you can do the animation accordingly. So the timing you will have to adjust. So this is how you animate. That's all about this video, and I hope that you have understood something about how to animate and the difference between animate and animation. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and God bless.